Hello friends, welcome to XG Learnings. So friends, today I'm here with another video of comparison. In this video I'm going to compare in between Germany and India military power. Not only military power but also population, area as well as defense budget of both the countries. Video is going to be interesting. Let's get into the video. Before going into the video, please press the like button if you like the video and also subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel until now. This video is done only for the knowledge gaining purpose, not for any other purpose. So friends, first let me explain the geographical location of both the countries. So here comes our first topic, continent. Continent in which both the countries are lying in. So India is lying in the southern part of the Asia, whereas Germany is lying in the central part of the Asia. Coming to the next topic, capital cities of both the countries. New Delhi is the capital city of the India, whereas Berlin is the capital city of the Germany. Coming to the next topic, population of both the countries. India is populated with 132 crore population, whereas Germany is populated with 8 crore 37 lakh 61,616. If you observe the list of world's most populated nation across the world, India is on top second most populated nation across the world, whereas Germany is 19th most populated nation across the world. If you observe the total area of both the countries, India is with 37,87,263 square kilometers, whereas Germany is with 3,57,386 square kilometers. If you observe the list of world's most biggest nation with respect of total area, India is on 7th biggest nation across the world, whereas Germany is on 62nd biggest nation across the world with respect of area. Coming to the topic of defense budget in both the countries, India is providing $61 billion as a defense budget every year. If we observe in Germany is providing $50 billion as a defense budget every year. If we observe the most powerful nation with respect of military, India is on 4th most powerful nation in the world, whereas Germany is on 13th most powerful nation across the world. Coming to the topic, count of nuclear bombs in both the countries. India consists of 150 plus nuclear bombs, whereas Germany consists of no nuclear bombs. Coming to the next topic, military personnel in both the countries. India consists of 35 lakh active and reserved military personnel, whereas Germany is with 2,20,000 active and reserved military personnel. Coming to the topic of fighter aircraft interceptors in both the countries. India consists of 600 plus fighter aircraft interceptors, whereas Germany consists of 140 plus fighter aircraft interceptors. Coming to the next topic, attacker aircrafts in both the countries. India consists of 200 plus attacker aircrafts, whereas Germany consists of 85 plus attacker aircrafts. Coming to the next topic, attacker helicopters in both the nations. India consists of 750 plus attacker helicopters, whereas Germany consists of 380 plus attacker helicopters. Coming to the next topic, combat tanks in both the countries. India consists of 4,400 combat tanks, whereas Germany consists of 300 plus combat tanks. Coming to the next topic, AFVs, armored fighting vehicles, in both the countries. India consists of 8,700 AFVs, whereas Germany consists of 4,000 plus AFVs. Coming to the next topic, rocket projectors in both the countries. India consists of 290 plus rocket projectors, whereas Germany consists of 40 plus rocket projectors. Coming to the next topic, aircraft carriers in both the countries. India consists of 2 aircraft carriers, whereas Germany consists of 0 aircraft carriers. Coming to the next topic, frigates in both the countries. India consists of 15 frigates, whereas Germany consists of 10 frigates. Coming to the next topic, corvettes in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 20 corvettes, whereas Germany consists of 5 corvettes. Coming to the next topic, destroyers in both the countries. India consists of 11 destroyers, whereas Germany consists of 0 destroyers. Coming to the next topic, submarines in both the countries. If we observe in India, India consists of 16 submarines, whereas Germany consists of 6 submarines. So friends, this is our today's comparison video in between Germany and India. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button below and don't forget to subscribe our channel XJ Learnings.